Hi, I'm Kerry Hopkins at Lsg Insurance Services, and we've had some real traction on the social media posts that we've been doing recently, asking for businesses to refer people to us to get quotes on their insurance. And I'm really happy today to welcome Lsg Durkin, who's the Managing Director of Lsg Purchasing. Simon, thanks so much for coming today to talk to us.
No problem.
And also on today's video, we've got Matt Robinson, who's a new business executive at Lsg Insurance.
Morning.
So, good morning, good evening, depending on wherever somebody is in the world who's watching this, because we've got followers from all over the world. Yeah, so today what this video is about, we're just going to talk to Simon about what he does and what he's doing for Lsg Insurance and how that's benefiting him and his business and the people that he's referring. So Simon, if I can just really kick straight in with some questions for you. When did you sign up with Lsg Insurance Services? Just tell me a bit about the backstory about how you met Matt and how you got involved in being an official Lsg Insurance referrer.
Well, it was a little bit by accident and a little bit by planning. I was looking for a new insurance company. I run, it's a buying group, and we have all suppliers for independent pubs and restaurants. And I went to Pub 17 exhibition in Olympia back in January 2017 and noticed that SJL were on a stand there. And that's when I went over and introduced myself to Matt, and we got talking on how our companies could work together. And that's how it started. Into the pub market.
Right, so it's been going quite a while now, several years.
Yeah. And it's a very good, strong relationship, and it just seems he understands exactly what we do and what we want, and hits the right notes with our members.
Great. See Matt there smiling, good lad. I mean, for people watching now, if they haven't, just in a nutshell, basic what this is to become an official Lsg introducer like Simon is, you just need to be a business. And so rather than usually you might say, oh, go talk to so-and-so insurance broker and get a quote. If you're registered with Lsg Insurance as an official introducer, you can actually make money from that introduction, which is what Simon's doing. And it's a really smart way of earning extra income year in, year out, because what is amazing about this program is that, let's say somebody refers Simon refers one of his pubs, he will make a commission, 50% commission, which is a lot of money given it's half of what SJL make, goes to Simon. So he makes that, but then also in year 2, 3, 4, 5, if that person that he's referred, in this case a pub, has stayed with Lsg Insurance, Simon then makes 50% commission year 2, 3, 4, and 5 for actually not doing anything at that point. So this is just a really smart way of making extra income and also keeping your customers happy. Because Simon, yes, you're making this money and this is great, and I hope that you'll be going into the 5 figures soon in the commission that you earn. You're already in the 4. We're hoping that you're going to go in the 5 and then 6. Hey, that would be great. But your customers are happy as well, aren't they? Because you're like adding value to the service that you're giving them. And when somebody does it's like a favor in a way when you're referring them to somebody good that's going to help them and not annoy them and give not money off. It then comes back on you and makes you look really good, doesn't it? I mean, how's it benefited your business?
Well, it's made a big difference to us. I mean, not only financially, and that is part of it, but it's a great introduction for us. We offer a lot of different suppliers, and it is about the quality and the service they get from those suppliers, as well about the savings. So they're saving money, it's quick, it's efficient, they're talking to somebody who really knows about their business and looks after them, and they're getting a great service. So it's a win-win. We're all winning here. We're providing Matt with more business. We're earning a bit out of that. We're providing our members with a service that they would struggle to get on their own and saving them money. the same time. So they're benefiting from it. And Matt is picking up new business as well, and getting great data from us with all the contract renewal dates. So yeah, we're all winning, and it's a nice place to be when that's happened.
And who do you think would be good to work with SJL then? Who else do you know? What other kind of businesses out there? People that are watching today.
Well, I'd recommend to work with SJL if anybody has databases of clients or members, or that they're working with, that they want to provide a benefit to, and a service that they can be confident will happen in the background with them. All they need to do is provide data, or as we do, contract renewal dates. For us, it's quite simple with the pub groups, because we know when the pub opened or when they moved into the pub, which is quite often when they take out their insurance. So, and that would be similar in a lot of other businesses as well. So there's opportunities there for sure to help Matt win the business, offer a great service, and earn some money out of it.
Yeah. And what does your company obviously, you know, works with pubs across the UK? Yes. Is there any other businesses that you work with?
How do you mean? Other
restaurants or?
Oh, I see. Yeah, we're working in independent restaurants, independent pubs, cafes. We're branching into holiday sites, caravan parks. We've even got some trampoline gyms, and also anything with hospitality in it, with cafes, with a bar or drinks service. So that's our area, and we can save them money across everything that they need to buy, from their food to their credit cards to their insurance.
And like you say, that's because of economies of scale, bulk buying. So if somebody's watching today from the hospitality industry and they think, actually, I would like to get my bills and my invoices reviewed, how can they get hold of you? They
can look up on our website, and there's an easy way to just register your interest on the website, and that's at lsgpurchasing.co.uk. Or they can give us a direct call into our phones here for our team to pick up. They can contact us. Am I happy to give the number out?
Yeah, go for it.
On 01494 398 400. And our team will pick up with them, offer them all the services that we have. It is a free introductory service. We don't charge any money as a membership fee. But what we do want is your data, and also the agreement that you're happy to receive our emails. And it's only us, LSG, that send the emails out. We don't share the data with any of our suppliers unless they request it. So it's up to them whether they want to be introduced by SJL, for instance. It's their choice after we've talked to them.
Is this the first time that you've actually been an introducer then before for an insurance broker? Or have you had a relationship before with someone else?
No, yeah, we have worked with other providers, some of the big brokers, but we always came across problems that, yes, were they very competitive, or was it just a numbers game for them? And also there was the pester factor of them phoning the licensees. So our feedback from our members was, I know, I have enough insurance calls. I don't want somebody else calling me every day. When Matt doesn't do that, they're very conscious of looking after the member, getting hold of them when they're ready to speak to them, and we help with that with our telesales as well. So it's a closer relationship they have with their client, and they care about them. You feel as if they care about them, which you don't get from insurance people usually.
Right.
It's just a
right. Yeah, that is actually. That is definitely one of the things about SJL. They really care about their customers and their employees as well. And that's sort of one of their big mantras.
And it comes
how much they care.
And it really comes through in what they do. And we hear that back from our members.
So you actually prefer working with SJL Insurance and the large brokers than your experience?
Absolutely. Yeah, most definitely.
Well, that's great to hear. Great to hear. Simon Durkin from Lsg Purchasing, thank you so much for sharing your expertise today and your experience with SJL Insurance Services. Really appreciate it. Really good to, to meet you and to find out how happy you are with the service that SGL's providing, and Matt here as well. So that's awesome. And yeah, have a great day. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Kerry. Very kind.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.